Okay, this is just a little video of the X10. I'm in extension, my extension's at 0, and with 15, 16 pounds of pressure, max is 18 pounds of pressure.
The X10 reads your discomfort in the form of pressure. There are sensors in the arm that monitor the force that you're exerting on the machine. This allows the X10 to keep you out of pain, but on the edge of discomfort where you can make progress. The X10 has an easy-to-use touch screen that is at the ready to give you information and allow you to work with the machine to stay on the edge of discomfort and make progress.
You hold on a dwell time for 3 seconds. I have that set for me. I did that on purpose. And then you have flexion. I started at about 85 and now I'm at 120, so it really, really works. You just sit here and let it move you. It's pretty cool.